1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005. All right. One more for fair measure, 1006. So, that was a required legal disclaimer, but I'd like to add a few words on my own. Brothers and sisters, I have a confession to make. I haven't invented anything. I haven't invented a sandwich. I haven't invented a candle, and I haven't invented the stock market. None of the strategies that I plan to employ are my own. Rather, they are a synthesis of other people's strategies that I mix and match to my liking. I'm not an instructor or educator, and furthermore, I don't even consider myself an expert. This whole phenomenon of social media, including YouTube, has become very toxic, especially in the day trading sector. People claim ridiculous things. So, I'm telling you right off the bat, I haven't invented anything. It's not mine. Last but not least, I do not have any Discord, Telegram, Instagram or whatevergram accounts. I don't get lost in Nigeria with no money to fly back home. I will not approach you with any brilliant ideas or any sort of courses that will make you rich. Okay, then, what is this all about? Brothers and sisters, this channel aims to take day trading out of the hands of the billionaire class and put it into the hands of working families. So, brothers and sisters, usually I stop my trading day by looking at the upcoming news. There are a bunch of websites for doing just that. I like Financial Juice, and since this is a hand-to-mouth trading channel where I stay away as much as possible for all things that cost more than $1 or $2, I'm using a free version of it. And from the looks of it, it appears that today we don't have any red news, so I don't expect any massive moves. Tomorrow, on the other hand, there is major red news, and I do expect significant moves. So, potentially, tomorrow is shaping up to be an action-packed day, and today is shaping up to be a slow, relaxing day, and on days like that, I tend to become philosophical. Perhaps light up a funny cigarette and take a puff or two. Hey, it's been legalized, right? You may wonder, and rightfully so, why in the world would one start yet another day trading channel when there are already a gazillion of them? Good question. Well, I started it out of the need to find answers to questions that I couldn't find on YouTube otherwise. Even though I've been day trading for a little while, it is only recently that I discovered day trading competitions. And it occurred to me that if there were a way to get into this whole day trading phenomenon completely free, and I mean completely free without any sort of prop firm fees and such, it would be a neat idea. So I searched on YouTube for some videos on day trading competitions, and I wasn't finding much. I mean, there are some interviews with the winners, and I listened to them, but they don't go into details, actual nitty-gritty of it. It didn't really answer my questions about it. So I figured, all right, if on the whole mighty YouTube I can't find an answer to how to win a day trading competition, then maybe, just maybe, I need to figure this out on my own, hence this channel. Now, I vented my grievances yesterday, Tuesday, about the day trading competitions I was contemplating joining in March. You can watch it. I'm not going to repeat them now. And if you're wondering, today is Wednesday, March 13th. In yesterday's video I explained that at the moment I'm competing in the Leap, a completely free day trading competition offered by TradingView. So, that's what's going on, brothers and sisters. Even though today is a slow day, I will go over the trades I have going on. So, I have an open trade on Euro-US dollar from yesterday, and it is going okay. It's $200 in profit. I also placed 2 limit orders, one on gold and one on Bitcoin, and those orders have not been filled yet. If you watch my video from yesterday, you'd see that I have a loss on gold. Not a big deal. It was a small loss in relative terms. Overall, I am in profit. The reason I took a loss was because my stop was too tight, and, as it often happens, my stop was triggered and immediately after the trade went the way I predicted it would. Brothers and sisters, that happens and that's okay. That is part of it. So, my limit order is basically to get back on action into the trade that I planned yesterday. Now, whether or not it's going to pull back deep enough to trigger me in, I don't know. We shall see. Now, on Bitcoin, I had a really great winning trade yesterday. I rode it almost to the top. And now, I have a limit order to see if it pulls back and then continues in the same direction as yesterday. This is what's going on. As I mentioned above, I anticipate tomorrow to be a busy day. Whether it's going to materialize that way, I don't know. But regardless, I will be reviewing it tomorrow here, on this very channel in the 5 to 7 p.m. window. Actually, I keep saying 5 to 7, but then I go on later than that. So, correction, 5 to 8:30 p.m. window. So long, brothers and sisters. Keep it up, and before you know it, you'll be wearing a monocle and have a Rolls and a yacht. Yes, brothers and sisters, you take care now.